Hello friends, welcome to the Techly Zen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Gunir 16GB ARC A770 Photon graphics card with 3.5 fan cooler. So friends, the Gunir has unveiled a 16GB version of its ARC A770 Photon graphics card with specifications that partially match Intel's A770 16GB limited edition, and friends, the custom design versions of the A770 such as one from ASRock Phantom Gaming only come with 8GB of memory, and the card comes with Gunir's heaviest dual slot triple fan cooling solution. And friend, while the card offers an overclocked GPU with the A770 running at 2.40 GHz, the memory runs at the same 16 Gbps DDR6 effective speed as the A770 8GB version, not the 17.5 Gbps that the A770 16GB limited edition comes with. And friend, this leaves you with a still respectable 512 GB per second of memory bandwidth on the tap, and the card draws power from two 8-pin PCIe power connectors. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, is priced at $470. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.